Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. So, for all the Gemini Ascendant people, first of all, we will talk about Sun. So, for all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house. Third house Lord right now starting from your 12th house in the sign of Pisces. There are a lot of planets are right now present in the sign of Pisces into your 10th house for all the Gemini ascendant people. This will create a positive situation for you people as well and somehow create a disturbance position, especially till 8 April, till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion into your 10th house. But still, you will have a lot of good planets into your 10th house. You will experience a lot of authority at your workplace. Whatever you are doing, you will be you will work more encourageously during this time period. You will take a lot of interest into your work related matter, and as well you will get the revenue of that interest. Means whatever you do at your workplace, you will get good result right now due to presence of Venus in its exalted position into your 10th house. So your third house Lord Sun is right now present into your 10th house and will stay into your 10th house till 13th or 14th of April. After 14th of April, Sun will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Aries, where Sun will be in its exalted position into your 11th house. And as you know, 11th house considered as a house of gains, house of hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes. Your desires is seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, professional circle, your support system, your elder brother and sister, all of these things are represented through 11th house. So third house deal with your communication abilities, your hardworking ability, how you communicate with others, how good you are into your communication abilities. Either you are a communicative person or non-communicative person. Either how good you are in hardworking abilities, like your efforts is seen from third house, your ideas, your quick communication, gossiping, all of these are represented through third house. Your hands skill are represented by third house. So your third house lord is starting from your 10th house till 14th of April. So till 14th of April, as we discussed previously, you will put a lot of effort into your work related matter. Whatever you're doing, like you're a woman housewife, then we can expect there will be a lot of say in regards to you into your home related matter. Like you are a housewife or you are a non-working person, then we can expect you will whatever you are doing right now at your home, or you will have the stable result and you will have good result regarding all the work you are doing right now. After 14th of April, when Sun will move from a 10th house to 11th house, then Sun will be in its exalted position. And third house Lord exalted into your 11th house and expecting your fifth house. This situation will create a good position for your get together related matter. You may arrange some get together with your friend circle, professional circle, or your elder brother, sister if they are living abroad or they are living far away. There are chances you will feel desire to meet your friends during this time. You may arrange some get together in the month of April, especially after 14th of April, due to presence of Sun in its exalted position into your 11th house. And we can also expect good result regarding your gains related matter. You may accumulate good result at your work and your whatever you're putting, what effort you were putting when Sun was into your 10th house, you will get the revenue of that effort when Sun will move from your 10th house to 11th house into exalted position. Mercury is very important planet for you people, for all the Gemini ascendant people, because Mercury is your ascendant lord and also controls your fourth house. So your first house and fourth house lord, as we discussed previously in the beginning of video, is right now moving into retrograde motion. Mercury will come back to its direct motion around 8th April 2025 into your 10th house. So before 10th house, first house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your journal health, your journal life is seen from your first house. Means what you are dealing right now is decided by your ascendant. So your ascendant is right now present into your 10th house. It's retrograde motion. That's why we were saying till 8th April you need to be very careful where you may face some mixed result during this time, because Mercury is right now present in its debilitation sign. Pisces sign considered as the weak sign for Mercury. So Mercury also is moving its retrograde motion. So till Mercury will come back to its direct motion into your 10th house, you may need to be careful regarding your health related matter, regarding your home related matter, because Mercury also controls your properties, vehicles, comfort. Your emotions somehow may get disturbed at your workplace due to debilitation and retrogression of Mercury. Some co-worker or some people may try to damage your reputation as well at workplace, but still Venus will give you support, and Rahu is also present in your 10th house. That's why you will be able to tackle all the difficulty and conspiracy at your workplace, whatever people try to do for you. After Mercury come back to that direct motion, then we can expect you will have some stable result, and there will be a support for you from your superior people. And if you are already in a authoritative post, then we can expect you will have support somehow after Mercury come back to its direct motion. Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is starting from your 10th house as well, as we discussed in the beginning. And Venus is right now present in exalted position, because Pisces sign considered as the exalted sign for Venus, and Venus is covering all the damage which caused by Mercury in retrogression. Because Venus controls your 5th house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your early education, how good you're into your education, your fun activity, your what thing you're fond of is seen from 5th house. So your 5th house and your 12th house. 12th house, your expenditures are seen from 12th house. Your losses are seen from 12th house. Foreign settlement is seen from 12th house. Your imagination, isolation, hospitalization, jail, asylums, imagination is seen from 12th house. So your 12th house and 5th house lord will be moving in its retrograde motion, and till 13th April. After 13th April, Venus will come back to its direct motion into your 10th house. But Venus is right now performing very well into your 10th house. Venus will give you very good result regarding your mental ability. You will perform with your full support of mental ability at your workplace, because right now your 5th house or your mental ability slot will be in its exalted position. If you are married and you have children, then we can expect great result for your children as well, because your children's house lord is right now in its exalted position. If your work is somehow connected to foreign land, like you are working in a multinational company, or your work is somehow connected to export, import, or any connection to foreign land, your earnings are coming from foreign land XYZ, then we can expect there will be a good opportunities in the month of April due to presence of 12th house lord in its exalted position. Jupiter is as well present in the house of Venus into your 12th house. That's why I am saying you will get good result if you have any connection from foreign land regarding your work related matter. Moon controls your second house, and right now Moon is present to your 11th house in the sign of Aries. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 1st April 2025. Deriving result of Moon in a monthly prediction video for every ascendant is very difficult. So here we try to make you understand how can you understand your Moon transit in your birth chart easily. So first of all, Moon is a very fast-moving planet. Moon changes sign 2.5 days, and whenever Moon is starting from your sixth, eighth, and 12th house into your birth chart, into your transit chart, uh, during these days you can expect there will be some mishap, some disturbance, some mishap will take place due to presence of moon, due to transiting of moon from your sixth, eighth, and 12th house, because these houses considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues, and difficulties are always associated from these houses. Secondly, second most important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is transiting from near any naturally malefic planet from any house, like if moon is transiting from your 4th house and if there is a naturally malefic planet, Rahu is present or Saturn is present, then if moon is transiting from your 4th house, then during these days as well, we can expect you may have some disturbance issues and problems. Naturally, malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit in everyone's birth chart. Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now Mars is present into your first house into your ascendant. Mars was present in your first house for previously many times because Mars was moving in its retrograde motion previously. But right now Mars is moving its direct motion, and about 3rd April 2025, Mars will move from its first house to its second house in the sign of Cancer in its debilitation sign. 11th house deal with your gains. Your incoming gains are seen from 11th house, as we discussed in Sun section. So all the things which have 11th house represented will be into your second house and 6th house lord. 6th house is with your court case, litigations, your argument, your fights, your daily routine, your against people, your competition, your competitive exams, XYZ, your daily routine in context of work, your loans, your debt. All of these things are represented by 6th house. People who provide you services. Services, health issues are also seen from 6th house, especially acute issues are seen from 6th house. So, so your 6th house and 11th house lord will be into your second house after 3rd April 2025. You will have great opportunity. You will have a stable opportunity to earning because say 6th, 2nd, and 10th house always connected to your earnings and work related matter because these are considered as the work related house and your earnings house. This triangle is represent your earnings and your earning, especially from your work, is seen from say second, sixth, and 10th house. This triangle represent these things. So your 6th house lord will be moving into your second house. So these your income, whatever you are doing, your income will be stable in the month of April. You will have good opportunities as well. You because your 12th house, because your 10th house is already in its strong position as we discussed previously due to presence of Venus into your 10th house. And 11th house lord will be transiting from your second house. There will be a no problem regarding money related matter, but you need to be very careful regarding your speech related matter because Mars is right now transiting in the sign of its debilitation is, sign because Mars considered debilitated in the sign of Cancer. So you may time to time become aggressive into your communication. Your speech is seen from second house. So you have to be very careful when you're dealing with your family members, your close ones regarding your speech related matter. You need to control to your anger issues as well till Mars will be transiting from your second house in its debilitation sign. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of April. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Gemini ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.